Today's presentation will be a very brief tour at the System Source Museum. I will take a shot of their mailing address, physical address and phone number. This is an awesome place to visit. I am working on a step-by-step system that they're adding to their collection here. The museum has got a fantastic collection of various vintage computers. Visit their website for good, detailed, up-to-date information. A firing computer. This is a fantastic piece of equipment to study. Servo motors up the wazoo. An electromechanical marvel. If you're into computers at all, this is a fantastic place to visit. And the people here are wonderful hosts. This is their second Bendix computer. They have another one that has been made operational, and it's presently in Texas, and it's going to be relocated here in the future. A program board for a computer. This is intended to be made operational in the very near future. Step-by-step system that I've been here working on. This is a 40-line system. 2 talking paths. This was custom built by another individual who's passed away. This has been modified beyond belief to do various types of control functions and limited voice functions. Some of the other equipment that was with the estate sale. Enjoy your time. Thanks for watching.